exciting Wednesday book mail. One of my friends and authors, Becca Seymour, recently attended a conference as an author, and I sent her on a side quest to pick up a book for me, which I will show. But at that conference, she had a special edition of her books, That's Kind of Awkward and Tastes Like Sugar. Tastes Like Sugar. Forgot all of a sudden. I panicked. She had them bound together into this beautiful special edition book, and I had to have it, so I purchased it. She sent it to me along with my book. She sent me these 2 cute stickers, and then, because I'm spoiled rotten, a copy of her upcoming book, KAEL, which is book 2 in the Monsters and Mates series. Started with Solon, and it comes out on Saturday, and I'm going to read it right now. You're going to love it. I know it. Adores me. She doesn't dislike me. I adore you.